Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday, guys. Hello, everyone. Good morning, Daniel. Good morning, people. How are you guys? How was your morning? You have bias? Honestly, looking for London low to go long. Only yes. Did you take any trades, guys? Yesterday? Today? I wanted to long yesterday. I'm so bad. But we never retraced to my key level. Yeah, no trades for me either. I mean, I can give you the trade. I'm just not going to promise it's gonna be win. If I will see something solid, I will take it. But once again, who knows if it's gonna be win or loss? No one knows. Better. I mean, jokes aside, I'm serious. Well, good morning, Barbara. Doing good. So far, so good. Looking for longs to 74.77. Nothing changed since yesterday. Yesterday, it was just dumb. It was so slow. Hope to get in longs after sipping London low. Gold chart look good today. Let me see. You know, it's interesting here. So technically we traced to hourly propulsion block and trying to stay by 50% of this level. Maybe I don't mind to get the test to 4100 today on gold. I don't know, like I don't see setup for longs to scalp to 4100, but I don't mind to get this. Yeah, nothing yet. Low resistance liquidity run 4100. I know how to put the line here. 1 second. The test of 4100 will be nice to see. Okay, that's how I see this, like 40 points pump. On the S&Q, I'm looking for retracement down to London low. And I do like how New York midnight open and London low close to each other on NQ. If it's gonna offer a nice setup from London low, I mean like 30 minute SIP, 3 minute OB, or just 3 minute smart money reversal, I will try to long. To 74.77, nothing changed since yesterday, guys. Guys, if you missed, I was streaming yesterday, Sunday open. We wanted to get in longs to 74.77, but we were waiting for this setup. Actually, I have this on my screen. We were waiting for pullback to 74.10, long right after this to 74.77. We never got this. I mean, I do like we retraced maybe that was enough because we want to see deep retracement on NQ. But at the same time, like we got SMT. Oh, actually it was good setup, just in hindsight. We got SMT, deep retracement from discount, staying above equilibrium on ES. Well, okay, it was good. But you need to hold like all damn night. It's not for me. Just to get like 40 points. We can get 40 points like after market open. It's not a problem. Right? Let's just wait. And NQ weekly military balance. 1 second, gonna check. Did we get this already? Oh yeah, we may get this, as well as we may get the test of equilibrium of previous weekly range at 30,064. Hey Pasha, how are you? On yes, we already got this. Okay. And NQ still trading inside previous day range, so Friday range. Let's highlight Friday high as well. We don't need this on yes since we already took this level. Right? Did we? Yeah. We took. Still bad? Did you trade today? Well, it's end of month, guys. It's short week. Price action can be garbage. So let's think twice before enter the trade. Oh, trade eval this week. I believe it's gonna be really bad price action. Okay, not bad, hard price action. It's short week, end of the month. Like I don't know, like it's NFP, right? Not easy, not easy. We're still performing, I would say, well, even on this price action. Maybe not with first try, but still. Somehow ended up being green. You know, I would say it's not easy price action because it's summer. Sean, you miss nothing. Nothing taken. We don't trade before market open, you know this. We're looking for the test of London low. Try to look right after this. That's plan. I'm not from Russia, I'm from Belarus. But yeah, I speak Russian 90% of the time. Other 10% is English. So yeah, guys, we're gonna take this easy. We will be patient. We will take only high quality setups. Maybe we're not gonna get setups every single day, but we'll do our best. I see some issue with Rise. You're not first person. It's problem on their side. No, Sean, Lumi level still remains the same. Did you watch my stream from yesterday? So 74.77 is Lumi level on daily chart. We're going there after sleeping London low. I hope so. Problem is with their website. I know, like, I don't have problem, fortunately. Chris, 74.77. We didn't hit this yet. It will. So idea yesterday, I was teaming Sunday. If you guys missed this, I was teaming Sunday. We were waiting for long. We were waiting for 2 hours to get in longs. We were waiting for the retracement down. And honestly, maybe we didn't steam at this time because nice retracement happened at what time? At 10. We finished like at 8. So we were waiting for the retracement to 74.10. Long to 7, and we wanted to long from this level to 74.77. So we didn't even hit this level yet. So now I want to see, since it's trying to build low resistance liquidity run, I want to see London low sweep and long to 74.77. Funny to say, but my analysis from yesterday remains the same. Good morning, guys. I went to the gym yesterday as well, right before stream. Delete? Leave it for now. We still may get RTH test. Let's leave this for today, but we will delete after the candle closure today. Oh, don't worry about this. It was like late. Probably it was... Maybe it was morning in your country already. I was streaming like at 6 p.m. Eastern time. At the same time, since Lumi level on ES at 74.77, on NQ it's like, how many points away? Like 300? Oh, damn, almost 400 points. Well, it's gonna be a bit hard to understand the targets for NQ today. We will long ES today, after sweeping London low. Yeah, 7 a.m. Let's check SPX stuck at 7,400. Well. Gonna be big gap. Damn, big gap. 40 points, but it's good for us if SPX will open below this buy side, which is equal highs as well over here. See this? It will open right below this level. We may get retracement to 25-50% of RTH gap on SPX, which will line up with London low on ES. We're gonna use 2-minute OB on SPX, turn along on ES to aim for first buy side here on SPX and 74.77. Damn, that sounds like a perfect plan. Let's see. I love it, to be honest. I hope we're gonna open below buy side here. Seems like we're gonna use SPX today. And let's hope ES will not bounce to 74.77 now. Please. So idea on SPX. Remember I talked about this many times. When we use, like, when we have big RTH gap and when we're gonna use 25-50% of RTH gap. What conditions we need to have for this? Ideally, we want to see price opening near buy side or sell side liquidity, but right at the open. Fails to take this level first 5-10 minutes. It's important. First 5-10 minutes, like 9:35, 9:40. We're still trading below buy side. I hope it's gonna trade below buy side today. We're tracing down to 25 and 50% of RTH gap. I cannot highlight this RTH gap simply because we don't have this yet. But it's gonna be big, like 40 points. And we're gonna wait for 2-minute order block, maybe 2-minute OB plus inversion for a value gap, to try to long SPX, but we will use ES for this to long on our funded accounts. To aim for buy side in 74.77, buy side on SPX, so we will partial on ES long once SPX will take this level, and final TP will be 74.77. Oh yeah, sure. On NQ, highlight this level. It's gonna be Friday high at 29,000. I'm gonna type in the chat 29,893.75. Next level will be in last level. It's gonna be at 30,064 for now. Okay, it's not for the week, but for the for today and tomorrow. It's short week. I'm not sure how fast price action are going to be, but 2 key levels on NQ, highlight them. Please, can you please drop? Don't go to 74.77 now. So guys, I'm flexible. I'm okay to flip the bias in case I see invalidation, but I'm gonna be patient. Like last couple of weeks, I have problem with timing, I guess. My first try is always early for some stupid reason. But I still enter like same time as entered before. Second try always works. Damn. Why? What am I doing wrong? Anyway. My son, come on, Dasha, you cannot talk today. My son built this one for me and said, can you please leave this on your desk? It's a gift for you. It's from Lego. What is this? I have no idea. I guess it's like building or something. Yeah, guys, don't forget to click the like button, share the stream. As always, I'm here for you every single day. From Minecraft. My kids are obsessed with Minecraft, so maybe. Remember I said like I promised my kids to play Minecraft with them on their tablets. But then they went in trouble, like in daycare, and they have no tablets until end of August. So they asked me, like, when I can give tablets back. I said, like, when it's gonna be your birthday, Nathan? Nathan's birthday, August 17th. So he's so excited. I said, like, if you're not going to be in trouble, like, next 6 weeks in daycare, I'm gonna give this early, but in 6 weeks, it's, like, August 17th. He said, like, okay, we will try our best. Yeah, my kids love Lego as well. $100 build. You know, I bought lots of Legos, and they build this, then they break it. Destroy this. But I save every single instruction book so they can rebuild this later if they want. I had the tablets, like it's impossible to reach them for my kids. It's video on my YouTube about OT retracement. Just go on my channel and watch OT retracement video. 4K sell. 4K. Oh, you're talking about gold? I know. I honestly don't really mind to see 4100 retest before another short. So 39.75. I'm bullish for the week on gold. At least for now. Like, yeah, definitely. Lots of failure swings over here, see? Low resistance liquidity run. So technically, retracement makes lots of sense. That's why I want to see, you know, like when we're inside bullish market and market builds in low resistance liquidity run to downside, without hitting high time frame level, we anticipate to get pullback. But pullback where? To first failure swing on this way down. So first failure swing gonna be here, but since this failure swing lines up with London low, I probably want to see a bit more to downside to sweep London low. Maybe this swing will be enough at 74.47, but feels like means nothing. Like if I want to go on 20-minute chart or hourly chart, it's gonna be just pointless to use this. So London low, sweep, and I'm looking for longs to 74.78. At least for now. If it's gonna take 74.77, I said 78, 77 now, I will be disappointed because it's gonna destroy my plan. But about YM, hard to say. I checked YMs this morning, nothing. Like, nothing. Oh my god, I know. We will see. If it's gonna take 74.77, no reason for me to long anymore. We're approaching this level. So yes, we're bearish. As we discussed yesterday, we are bearish for the week, and we want to see drop this week all the way down to 28,555 on NQ. But first, we want to get manipulation, right? For the formation of weekly candle, manipulation up. We're staying below equilibrium of previous weekly range on ES and NQ, short all the way down to, I mentioned liquidity levels before, so we must went through previous weekly low level. Yeah, 50 points. But I expect, since it's short week, maybe it's gonna be a bit hard to predict. But for now, I expect to get manipulation up today. Tuesday will start a reversal, will form high of the week. I hope so. And previous weekly low level will be, I mean, I'm not sure about ES. For now, previous weekly low level, we have sell side at over here, 73.25. Maybe 73.25 will be my TP, but on NQ 28,555. So Michael, you want to see sell like entire week? So you don't want to get manipulation? Because I truly believe if it's gonna hit 74.77 and will offer 15-minute reaction, like market structure, shift previous structure, I can short this. Just if I want to engage now, feels like from nowhere. So I would try to wait probably for move higher, at least this AM session. I hope so. Then short. But I'm interested in longs today. Like down to London low, long to 74.77, short. All right. I forgot to ask, what is your bias, guys? I'm gonna stream PM session on TradingView TV today, tomorrow, and on Thursday. So if we're gonna get absolutely nothing, my hair are everywhere. If we're gonna get nothing during AM session, we have PM session, right? 70 target for shorts. It's probably weekly objective. Oh man, I'm proud of you. Was it 150k, right? I think so. Chris, I am not professional in trading range. You expect to get range today? So I wish you good luck. You will make it. I know this. You can pass this quickly, and I wish you lots of payouts on this account. 70.03. Oh, you're just in short. Okay. We got minor SMT. You use this one? Yeah, fine. 15 minutes. You're right about this. Let's just wait. So for the week, I'm bearish. For like first, I'm not sure if it's like entire RM session. I'm looking for sweep of London low. Here's my ideal scenario. I'm looking sweep for London low, move towards 74.77, short from there. Not going to put limit order because we actually can like went slightly higher. But I'm bearish for the week. My weekly objective lower, below previous weekly low level. So, okay. You're gonna trade opposite to my position? Okay. Good luck. We want to see London low, so yeah. Good morning, guys. Okay, market is about to open. 5 minutes left. I don't have this indicator on. Good job, Barbara. I'm proud of you. You think it's gonna drop more than this? I mean, we will see. For now, let me check SPX. We're trading at 73.93, so it's already 40 points gap. Okay. I'm bearish for the week. But want to see manipulation. I mean, technically we got manipulation higher already, but I wanted to see 74, 77 for shorts. We will see, so I don't want to predict, guys. Let's try to react. Let's try to be flexible. Okay? Hey, Rose, how are you? Long time no see. Red phone today, absolutely, it's here. See? It's here. Don't worry about this. What's that? Okay, it's from camera. Da-da-dum. I'm not in trade, so nothing to show you. I don't have like TP or stop loss yet. I'm looking for sweep of London low, but I don't see entry for this yet. I mean, yeah, we got sweep and everything perfect, amazing, but once again, it's still too early to engage. Friday high on NQ? I wouldn't mind to get them. Good morning, Frank. How are you? I'm doing great, as always. Where is MMXM, by the way? He is late today. Okay, 2 minutes left. Friday low. It's Friday low is. Oops. It's previous weekly level. Well, I mean, we will see. On Monday. I will want to get them on Tuesday. But if we're gonna pump to 74, 77, we will short. I don't want to see higher than 74, 77. Let's hope it's going to pump. Okay, I'm gonna connect accounts now. Leader account. Leader account. Yeah, it's better to protect position. Good job. Nice trade. Okay, market is going to open in 20 seconds. Gap gonna be big on SPX, which is good for us, so we can work with this. Yeah, short week, NVP. End of month. Yeah. Take this easy, guys. Let's be careful. And market is open. Let's see what is going on here. Still trading above New York midnight open, so definitely sweep of this level can be nice. Ideally London low. Damn, looks good. Going to London low and Q just swept this level. Pretty much exactly what we wanted to see, right? So SPX opened below buy side, cool. Let's highlight OT of RTH gap, open close to open. Let's see if it can retrace down to 25-50% of this RTH gap and take buy side liquidity right after this. So what will happen if it's gonna take buy side liquidity before taking 25%? There is a big chance to offer nice short to 50% of this RTH gap and even OT. So let's see. Honestly, don't mind to get a test of 25-50 first. Okay, we will see. We can work with RTH gap today 100%. Seems like it wants to take buy side first, so we can get better short. So let's see if it's gonna pump to 74.77 today on ES. We got minor SMT at lows. I hope it's not gonna be like confirmation of like reversal. It's confirmation of retracement on NQ. And it's gonna hit 74.77. Unfortunately, in order to engage in these longs, we want to long from London low on ES to 74.77. We need to sweep this London low. This never happened. All right. 74.77. I'm gonna repeat for like, I don't know, like 5 times, I guess. It's a key level for today. We want to see this level. Approaching buy side. Okay, let's see. Honestly, love it. I wish this move happened on ES. Same move as we got on NQ, because on NQ, that looks perfect. Just no way to engage on ES. I love it. Looks good. SPX took buy side. It's actually cool. 74.77 is about to be taken down. Could be easy trade, but what was the problem to sweep London low? See, like no FOMO, just a little bit disappointed because that was our plan. You got in longs from New York. That's cool. That's amazing. I'm gonna trade yesterday, yes. I mean, right now I'm not doing trade. It's gonna be bank holiday because of 4th of July. It's a big holiday in US. Damn, it was such a good move. That's exactly what we wanted. Just wanted to get in longs from London low. Damn. In which time frame I could engage? Like, no time frame for this. It was super fast. Yeah, market's gonna be closed on Friday because on Saturday we're gonna have holiday. I'm gonna trade it yesterday. Come on, don't do this with us. Daniel, did you enter long? I mean, I feel no FOMO, but I really happy it took 74.77. Like, okay, in hindsight, very hard to enter long. Absolutely amazing move on both ES and Q, like very hard to enter long. In hindsight. On ES, I wouldn't engage on Q because I don't have targets for this. In hindsight, 74.62. I mean, damn, these notifications are so annoying. Let me... How to turn this mode? Oh yeah, I found it. Got it. Look at 74.77, at least for now the action. Doesn't mean we need to engage, but we're gonna wait for setup here. Damn, that's exactly what we wanted. Looks so damn good, but without us. Let's get 2-minute confirmation, so actually we can go to OT of RTH gap after this. I need to duplicate this 1 second to put this on another screen, because sometimes I just forget to check SPX and we're missing the main move. I mean, you didn't? How big range? I don't want to engage before 10, but we can actually get set up soon. 20 points, 3 micros for today. Let's see, we need to break 9 today. I'm open if you want to trade the action. Okay. Don't want to be first seller, but once you break 9 today, I'm open, it can be nice. Second stage. Here, nothing tells me right now to trade the action of 74.77. Looks good, though. Let's see if we're gonna displace. So if I'm gonna get this scenario break below 9 today, I'm open. I did trace them back to potential fair value gap here. I will try this one, not valid yet. SPX on 2-minute chart offered nothing. So also in order to trade short, we need to see SPX reaction of buy side liquidity level. We don't have this yet. Let's see if we're gonna get closure on 2-minute chart below 7,400 on SPX. Be careful. Yeah. No rush. Even if it continues going higher, if you want to go short, this one will be only, I guess, opportunity. Break below 9 today, I'm open, then short. Only this. What else can we see? Nothing here, nothing here, and nothing here yet. Okay. She looks a bit more bullish to me. I don't trade CFD. I'm not gonna trade Asia. All my trades are opened on live streams. So once I trade, I always show executions and so on. Yes, just not in trade right now. Nothing to show you. And welcome. Welcome to my channel. What is your TP on ES? I don't really have any. But technically I have TP on SPX. Buy side at 74.28. So just looking at SPX, we technically can pump like 17-20 points higher. But okay, I'm not gonna engage yet. Nothing from me yet. Oh, okay, got it. Okay. I hope it's gonna work for you, because like technically it's possible, it's still bullish. You're aiming for equal highs, right? It's just 22 points higher. Okay. Yeah, not bad. Is Michael here? I know. He didn't say anything yet. We can wait for him. I'm gonna delete for now. Okay. Okay, guys, hit the like button while we're waiting for setup. Let me see something. I don't think I can source it. Gold, I don't like gold yet. So I wouldn't mind to get on gold a test of 4100 over here, but like so. Oh yeah, that's cool. I love it. No, I'm trading. I didn't buy a vals yet. I'm trading only funded. Oh, I mean, like, depends what you call like by missing the move. Like, no setup here yet. And it's not even 10. Market is going to move like until 5 p.m. today, so we're gonna get the move. Still holding your long? Wow. You're crazy. But that's so cool. Yeah, approaching equal highs. I would say approaching buy side on OT of RTH gap on SPX. So we're going to old RTH gap, see this? From here. I wouldn't say it's bad price action, not bad. I mean, yeah, good job. Where's your TP? You aiming for Friday high? Yeah, every day is fine. I agree with you. One, oh, 7 hours. That's cool. Cool. Good job. Still waiting, guys. Nothing for me yet. Want to trade my take profit trader accounts today, 150k accounts. And I have some 50k accounts, but gonna trade all of them. So 30 minutes left until 10. So while we're gonna wait for 10 AM open, we're gonna wait for 4-hour candle closure and opening of new 4-hour candle, right? So approaching equal highs now. Seems like. But I'm more interested in SPX levels. So we're about to take buy side in OT of RTH gap. So let's see. I always ready for W. Last week we got trades every single day, and some days were like 2 trades. So we need to get something today as well. Looking at current high time structure on NQ, it's still bearish to me, like on high time frame. So what we have now, I hope we're gonna call this manipulation. So basically trying to form high of weekly candle. So like open, high, low, close. So from high to low, it must be like range expansion, nice distribution. Maybe tomorrow, maybe even today. MXM, I don't know, he texted me like couple of hours ago, like 3-4 hours ago. I know where is he. Maybe he's busy. So guys, once I trade you, I will show you. I cannot see the future. I have no idea what market can do. It's impossible to know this. I'm just gonna wait for my setup. It's 2-minute chart. On 3-minute chart, picture wasn't that perfect from my model. My bias for today was I wanted to long from London low on ES to 74.77. We got nice drop to New York midnight open, and at the same time we were talking about low resistance liquidity run. As you can see, we swept this low, but not this low, right? So we were talking about this low before, right? Which like near sell side at this like run down. It was here. Didn't see London low, but probably it was just okay, and hit 74.77. After hitting this level, I wanted to see shorts. Shorts, like shorts. Not retracement, but like big drop. Well, on Lucid Pro accounts, you can pass for 1 day. No consistency on evaluation. It's Pro, right? If it's Pro, like, don't worry about consistency. You don't have consistency on evaluation, but you're gonna have this unfunded. So if you want, you can trade more. I mean, if you see setups, of course. Trying to drop. Looks good to me. Let's see. Trying to reject off 74.77. Did SPX swap buy side? Oh, damn, no. It didn't hit this level. Probably first move will be fake. In funded, yes. Consistency. I believe first retracement will be fake. SPX didn't hit any important levels. No shorts yet. I don't see shorts yet. I believe this one is fake. Look at SPX. Reversed couple of ticks away from buy side, but like ignoring buy side, we still have OT of RTH gap higher. I'm not fan of gold, but as said before, we building low this liquidity run. I wouldn't mind to get 4100 retest on gold and then drop. So I want to see a bit higher first. This is exactly what I was talking about, like fake. Because we cannot reverse from nowhere. We need to take something before dropping, right? Didn't take buy side. Once again, the most important part is OT of this gap. Let's set alert. Okay. Yes, we will drop the rest of the week. Just probably not AM session. Come on, SPX, give us last move higher. Like big move higher. Enter OT of RTH gap. Woohoo! Good job. The listening. Oh yeah. Yeah, something. Also, it's gonna be nice confirmation on SPX. Russian English. I have twin sister, but she doesn't speak English. Just in case you want. English Shader NQ, are you here? 30k is realistic. I would say if it's gonna pump to 30k, we will hit even like 0.64 because it's equilibrium of previous weekly range. No, she's single. She's here. I hope he didn't listen to me. Yeah, twins, yes, 2 minutes apart. 2 minutes, like even less than 2 minutes, I believe. Yeah. I wanted to long from London low, so I can say like no longs from me yet. And probably I'm not going to long. It's fine. You're just waiting for one move. Good solid move. Now SPX, go higher. Not ready yet. Look at this. See buy side on SPX. Damn, that's actually crazy. Not ready. I refuse to believe in shorts until we hit at least buy side, but preferably even like higher to 62% of RTH gap. Da-dum. Is it 10 yet? Oh, it's not even 10, guys. I'm waiting for 10 as well. We can try to short like below 9 today I'm open in case I'm like super wrong with SPX levels. But right now I truly believe it's still risky. See this SPX? That's actually wild. Scam. I'm keeping my eyes on SPX. Not worth it yet. Of course, like, looks good on 2-minute chart now, but SPX just crazy. Well, if we run with SPX levels, we will break below 50% of this level. So short will be there. Don't like to say this honestly, but again before 10. Who loves to trade before 10? I don't like it. Let's see if we're gonna displace. I can give this a try. But remember, guys, my first tries was always early for some reason. Let's see, I'm probably gonna give this a try. So I'm thinking probably if I want to try this nice displacement below 74.69, not in yet. I'm thinking about like how many contracts I need to trade, like 3 micros, because stop loss is 20 points to make 50. We will see, guys. I will keep you updated. Looks good to me, honestly. Willing to try. What time is this now? Yeah, looks good. I'm trying with 3 micros. 1 second, guys. So stop loss 19 points. I want to partial at current lows a day. It's before 10, so definitely I can be early, but at this point my risk is small. So 3 contracts, 3 micros only. Another TP will be at London low. And I'm gonna leave runner. It's first try before 10, so my timing can be probably a bit off. Let's see if we're gonna... Oh, you cannot see my ES chart. 1 second, guys. Can you see something at least on my chart? Sorry, guys. My fault. Didn't realize I didn't show you ES chart at all. I do like the closure below 50% of this 3-minute OB. It's actually propulsion block. Still holding above 9:30 AM open. Let's see. I mean, worth to try. Ideally, I wouldn't mind to put my stop loss at 74.80. So technically stop loss above equilibrium of previous weekly range. Because if you want to stay... Let me chill here. Because if you want to see shorts, I don't like SPX, but we technically on SPX we can go to 25%. Okay, back to this. I do like the action of 74.77. Didn't want to engage initially, but once I saw we closed below 74.69, definitely worth to try. Let's see, 30 seconds left on this candle. Let's see how we're going to respect 9:30 AM open. Both ES and Q didn't close below this level yet. So let's see what SPX can do. Can we hit 25%? Since it failed to do this before. So technically tracing back to the gap. Or it's gonna go to buy side. Sweep buy side, enter OT. We will try again. Keeping my eyes on SPX now. How we gonna play with this? Seems like in Q, not in Q, ES just swept New York midnight open. I wish I had more contracts. It's 10 already. Okay. Reducing my risk here. Still watching if we can take 25% of RTH gap. So risk is really small now. 13 points only. It's like, how much? Like nothing. Good risk here. For break-even, we will see. Problem with break-even is ideally, I want to treat this fair value gap as breakaway gap. So we don't want to see retracement to this fair value gap, right? So probably you're right about break-even. It can sweep me out and go to TP. But 25% of RTH gap on SPX looks promising, since it failed to take buy side liquidity level, so technically makes sense to go there. Okay, let's see. The problem is it's 10:02. We didn't get manipulation yet, so I hope it's gonna play in our favor, but we will see. Still respecting New York, but it's smart probably, yeah, you're right. Because 3-minute candle cannot close below 9:30 AM open, so maybe you're right about break-even. Definitely could partial at New York midnight open, but I don't have many contracts to do this. SPX. I know, guys, I want to see SPX 25%. It's really key level for me. So why I'm keeping my eyes on SPX? Because SPX gives us a bigger picture to understand where we can go. Can you please hit 25%? Please? I'm not asking a lot. Just hit 25% of our RTH gap. And do whatever you like after this. I do like this expansion candle here. Another expansion. Really want to treat this fair value gap as breakaway gap. Retracement go low. No need retracement. Yes, guys, adjust your... I mean, we're gonna adjust our TPs based on SPX. Don't play with us. Because when I'm waiting for retracement, you never give us retracement. When I'm in trade without waiting for retracement, you always dumb giving us retracement. Don't do this. Don't do... MMXM! Hello! I missed you. Where were you this morning? You're late. Damn, why this always happens? Well, when I don't wait for retracement, they always offer retracement. When I'm like, I'm waiting for retracement and I'm gonna engage in this, never offers retracement. Like F, yes, F price action, F market makers. Why are you doing this with me? I didn't deserve this. I was a good girl. Oh, we got partial. Oh yeah. Second TP will not be here. It will be once SPX will hit this key level. It's 6 points lower from current price. It's like at here. Guys, adjust your TP based on SPX. We need to drop 4 more points. It's like at 42. We're adjusting TP based on SPX only. Unfortunately, we got just 1 TP so far. But we got 20 points, not bad. Risking like 17 at the beginning. Adjust your TP based on SPX, that's important. Adjust based on SPX. I put this at 42.25 because I'm not quite sure about the exact level, but I'm willing to... Yay. Okay. We hit... That's it, guys. That's a key level for potential reversal. Please take partial here. I'm serious, 100% serious. Consider partial here. No matter what, partial. Just trust me from my experience. Partial here. And hit the W in the chat, guys. We did it. We're up 23 points on ES. We just partialed. Now just trail stop loss and I know about TP. Here, guys, please partial if you can. Jokes aside, it's friendly recommendation because no financial advices, but from my experience, partial here. So we're playing with SPX levels. Right now, it's a key area. We can reverse from here. Don't forget to partial. Don't forget to partial no matter what. Chill your stop loss as well. So right now, trade on stop loss is only one smart decision. Yesterday lows, we will see. I put my TP just random level because I was just trying to put my ATM strategy. I put this below Asia low. I do like this placement below 9:30 AM open. Looks good. Gonna hold. Guys, partial here once again. Jokes aside, seriously, partial here. Should be partial 100%, 110%, please partial here. We really can get reversal from here. Or retracement, but retracement can be deep. This one is breakaway gap, but we already hit by sell side, so technically we can retrace back to this fair value gap. Just trail your stop loss. I keep trailing my stop loss. We got the closure below this low. Approaching OT on SPX. I will give you like nice tip how to understand if it's breakaway gap or not. 1 second. Let's finish this trade. I will explain why I was thinking about breakaway gap there. Let's finish this trade. Didn't hit OT yet. We'll explain now why it was breakaway gap. Keep trailing. Kind of stuck at 50%. Let's see, I'm gonna give this a couple of more minutes. I do like how we're stuck inside retracement area here. Keep trailing. Just trailing tight this. Pay the trader. Stop loss set and 22 points in profit. Keep trailing here. I keep trailing. Stop loss set and 20 points in profit. Approaching OT. I'm gonna cut here. Enough. That's it. I'm done. 40 points? Okay, guys, W in the chat. We killed this. I'm gonna close here. Happy with this trade. It's OT and damn, looks good. I love SPX. Thank you, SPX. You're the best. Okay, let's talk about breakaway gap. It's important to talk about this. 1 second. My hair are everywhere. So guys, who knows what is breakaway gap? I'm gonna ask questions. Who knows what is breakaway gap? I'm gonna explain logic as well. Who knows what is breakaway gap? Raise your hand and let me know. So first, this gap must stay open. That's important. Next, where's this gap located? What's the place for this gap most of the time? Because there's measuring gap as well, right? I don't see it. Guys, come on. Guess. Give your try. I want to see your try. You're trying to understand. What is breakaway gap? What conditions needs to be in order to say, well, here's possibly breakaway gap. Breakaway gap cannot be at the random place, right? Not only resistance and support. Not necessary in resistance support. So breakaway gap can be confirmation of smart money reversal. Okay? But in order to say, here's smart money reversal, what must happen? We must hit higher from level, right? We must hit higher from level. And to say, well, we may get potential smart money reversal. Because once, if you don't know this, guys, I'm gonna show you example now. I need to hide drawings 1 second. See this? Here, we enter daily fair value gap, right? Over here, see this? This week is lower time frame market maker sell model. And I can even prove you this. Reaction from this fair value gap is lower time frame market maker model. See? This week that I just showed you is lower time frame market maker sell model. This means in order to get reaction on high time frame, we need to get lower time frame smart money reversal, right? But it could hit my final TP at 74.17, which is 50 points. First, in order to confirm smart money reversal, we need to have what? Who knows what we need to have in order to say, here's smart money reversal? Look at that. Damn, that's fucking good. Measuring gap is 50% of implied range. That's a keyword, implied, because we don't have range. We cannot work with this range yet. It's implied range. SMT, I would say SMT optional. We need to have high time frame level, market structure shift, change in the state of delivery, because market structure shift and change in the state of delivery confirms shift in structure. But in order to say, like, here's 100% smart money reversal with having like market structure shift, high time frame level, change in the state of delivery, we need to have breakaway gap, because breakaway gap happens right after hitting high time frame level. In order to say that's probably 99% breakaway gap, here's a tip for you. Probably you don't know about this. How fair value gap looks. 1, 2, 3. So fair value gap forms with 3 candles, right? I'm gonna draw wicks now for you. 1, 2, and 3. This is like normal fair value gap, right? Nothing fancy about this, right? Just like fair value gap, nothing else. But in order to say this fair value gap after hitting high time frame level, and we still see this fair value gap is open, second and third candle needs to be expansion candles. Second and third, not first and second. Second and third candle needs to be expansion candles. That's important. This means it must look like that. Expansion, expansion. At this point, once we got 2 expansion candles, second and third, most likely this fair value gap will be breakaway gap. Second and third candle needs to be expansion candles. We don't care about size of first candle. It can be small. But second and third candle needs to be expansion. If you don't trust me, just go on your chart and you will see this by yourself. Expansion? Yes. Expansion? Yes. Here's your fair value gap. It's breakaway gap. Make sense? Look at this reversal from 74.77. Damn, that's amazing. Oh, my bad. So here's expansion candle. My bad. I'm so sorry, I didn't see this. Here's expansion candle. Here's expansion candle. Second and third. We don't care about size of first candle. It means nothing for us. Second and third candle needs to be expansion. Here's your fair value gap. It's breakaway gap. I have a drawing about this on my Twitter, I guess. I'm gonna find for you 1 second. Breakaway gap. Yeah. Here's a picture for you guys. You can download this, print this, do whatever you like with this. I posted this like a year ago. I'm not fan of trading fair value gaps though. It just helps me to sometimes to place my stop loss. Second candle is one. Where's fair value gap? Is over here, right? Over here. And to form fair value gap, you need to have 3 candles. 1, 2, 3. Second candle, third candle. First candle, like we don't care about size. Second candle, third candle. 2 displacement candles. Expansion candles. I mean, like, I don't like to trade fair value gaps. I know traders who like super profitable with trading fair value gaps. It's personal preference. No reason to re-enter, just hit my final TP if I decide to hold this trade. Absolutely no reason. It was 3 contracts on micro, yes. Stop loss was like quite big. No reason to re-enter the trade? Why? Because when we're trying to short, we're shorting to certain level. So we want to short to, for example, on SPX to fill the gap or equilibrium of Friday range as retest on ES, like no reason. Look at this reaction so far. Damn, that's wild. Just trail your stop loss tight if you're still holding. But I know, like we just hit 74.10. Yeah, just be flexible with your bias. I guess my biggest improvement this year is just try to react. If I'm going to stick to my bias all the time, I either going to miss the move or take wrong trade. Biggest improvement is to be flexible with bias and be like quick in flipping the bias. Right? I'm okay to talk about this. I saw lots of hate about this, like saying like you're like trying to short and long immediately once you're wrong with your short. Who cares if I'm going to make money and like on my flip? I'm okay with this. It's fine to see, guys. You put in your stop loss at the place where your trade idea is invalidated. If your trade idea is invalidated, this means probably we're still holding like opposite bias. If I'm short, this means probably still bullish. I'm gonna wait for continuation higher. I was wrong. It was fake reversal. I'm gonna continue trading continuation higher. This one is equilibrium of Friday range. Because I highlighted these levels yesterday on my yesterday stream. I was streaming yesterday. Guys, don't forget to click the like button. We kill this today. And I didn't even wake up with feeling I'm going to kill this today. Yeah, fine. But at the same time, depends. Depends how much you lost on your first trade. If it was half risk, like understand, like probably I'm still wrong. I'm still early. You can try again. 2 wins. Good job. That's amazing. Yeah, I'm so bad in trading consolidation. As well as I'm not super good in trading continuation setups. Seems like nice AMD here, no? But we didn't miss the move. Like, main move happened here. And I said at the beginning of Steam, like someone said, we missing the move? No. We catch entire move. We catch entire move, guys. So I was trading a reaction of 74.69. So if I want to see continuation higher, I want to see propulsion block or OB 50% of propulsion block or order block are holding. So we broke below this level, so I tried. So technically invalidation of continuation. I was unprofitable for almost 3 years. Like, yeah. I do like reaction here. Look at NQ. Tested weekly open. Which is, by the way, means what? We tested flat candle. Model MXM, can you please send video about model I trade, please? How long? 3 years. 3. 2.5, to be more specific. Da, da, da. Short again. You think we're gonna hit previous weekly low level today? Let's see if we're gonna get nice continuation. I mean, I don't mind. Look at this 30-minute candle. That's actually wild. Look at this. I mean, that's funny. How we reverse right from here. I think it's gonna play with New York Midnight Open. TP on Q. I mean, I didn't see good long on short on Q, but probably it could be Asia low as well. It's gonna chop right now. Okay. I do like the drop from 74.77. What I don't like, it didn't take buy side on SPX. There is no best setup using ICT Concept. Something that works for me will not work for you. We can trade exactly same strategy, but get exactly like completely opposite trades. So there is no like best ICT strategy. You can just try different ones and see if it's gonna work for you. Too long? Think about New York Midnight Open at this point. Before I enter the trade, once again, I enter like almost all my trades taken on stream. I always discuss the trade. Sometimes it just, I feel like it should like go down here. And I clearly can say about this, like, I feel like it's gonna drop below this level. I cannot explain why, just trust me. Yeah, seems like nice AMD here. I didn't like SPX fail to take buy side though. Nice! On YM. Okay, got it on YM. Don't like YM, honestly. But looks similar, at least in sync. Trust me, bro. Yeah. Yes, this one. Let's see if it's gonna break above New York Midnight Open. Guys, we done like before even 10:30. I like when it's easy and quick. Because when I enter the trade, I always want to be like right immediately or wrong immediately. Let's wait. Trying to break above New York Midnight Open. Clear this low liquidity run. Since SPX left, let me clean my chart a little bit, buy side higher, we don't care about this breakaway gap anymore. Let's see if ES can stay above 10 AM open. It can be long. Thank you guys. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and click the like button. Doing my best here. Oh, no, I already closed like a long time ago. I closed once. I use SPX levels. Once we entered OT on SPX, I cut the trade. Long forming on yes and Q. I just want to show you like charts since I'm not in trade. Back to TradingView here. If it's gonna break above New York midnight open, will stay above this level. We should see equal highs. Let me keep my chart clean. Lots of drawings here. It's already impossible to see anything. 20-minute chart looks dumb so bad. GC just consolidating, don't like it. Guys, if you just joined, I'm gonna stream today PM session on TradingView TV at 1:30 PM, from 1:30 to 2:30 PM. Yeah, during PM session on Friday, we got a nice drop. What is SPX level? So we completely fill RTH gap on SPX. It left buy side in OT of old RTH gap from last Tuesday. Guys, imagine it's gonna be July soon. Like crazy. 5 months. Okay, 6 months left until 2027. I just realized it's dumb. Time flies. Hey, Michael. Oh, yeah. Look at this short. We shorted from here. I closed once we hit OT of RTH gap, but damn, it's actually great. Did you short as well? You probably short in Q. Because in Q hit New York, not New York midnight open, weekly open. My hair are everywhere. And Q hit weekly open because we got our Sheraton X. I'm gonna look at this. I shorted, yes, it was a bit easier. %, you got better entries than me. Okay, I'm gonna like. But we kill it. They're the best, right? Michael, how was your weekend? My birthday's coming, yeah, July 8th. Gonna be 1 year older. But still young. Still young. Finally, I can have driver license. By the way, I guess we can have driver license from 18, right? I got my driver license when I was 18. How? Well, I know why. I don't like to celebrate my birthday. I like to stay in like silence, in silence alone. I don't know why. Maybe just me, and maybe I'm crazy. I don't have plans to celebrate my birthday, but yeah. I just did recap, but I can repeat, of course. Okay. I'm not sure if Michael ever explained this. Probably he is. I just don't remember lecture. I'm gonna explain why I was looking for short, but I'm gonna open ES chart because I don't have trimmings here. So as you can see, we got nice change in the state. Okay, not nice. It's not perfect example of change in the state of delivery, but still. Here's daily OB. Change in the state of delivery, order block. Right? So after we got daily order block, price expand higher, went to premium, tested propulsion block here, amazing, perfect. We got the test of small inversion fair value gap on daily chart. So, and got rejection back to discount. Right? But at least for now, not to see like, it's ready to drop to sell side or it's ready to retrace back to premium again, we need to get structure for this, right? So I always say like 50% of order blocks tell us if this OB is strong or not. So we had 50% of order block using bodies because we got long wicks. I'm gonna ignore them. Highlighted only bodies here. Order block is here from this top to this bottom and only bodies once again. As long as we stay above 50% of bullish order block, this OB is strong OB. Once we break in below 50% of bullish OB with big displacement, sweep is fine, but if big displacement, probably this order block is gonna be invalidated, we're gonna take sell side. So what I saw here, expected, right? We expected 50% of order block. So what I expected to get? A reaction higher. But in order to confirm reaction, I want to see another shift in structure, change in the state of delivery. So at this point, if you're gonna close in daily chart above sequence of done close candles, we're gonna get propulsion block, right? Another order block. So at this point, I cannot know for sure if it's OB or not until we get in the closure. But I can expect to see an attempt to go there over here, which is at 74, 77, right? We discussed this before. So I want to see price goes there to offer an attempt to get shift in structure to upside, maybe to go to opposite liquidity level or back to premium. So at this point, yesterday discussed this, by the way, but I'm gonna repeat again. I wanted to see move towards this area. But since we like have 6 hours left, and we cannot know for sure if it's gonna expand higher or lower. But once we hit this key level where it's gonna be potential order block, we can get expansion, not expansion, we can expect to get retracing back to the range of this down close candles. So technically here, over here, retracing back to the range. That's why I want to treat, like at first, the test, I want to treat this as high from level. So I want to see reaction from top of this range. So potential propulsion block, but not yet. So that's why I said I will look for shorts from here. And since it failed to take London low right at after market open, I decided to sit on my hands waiting for the test of 74, 77, around so, then drop to London low, where we closed. We closed actually at 25. So what I saw here, we got sweep. So technically, it looks like we got sweep to offer continuation higher. We got OB here. Oops, wrong tool. We got OB here, which probably validates potential reversal. Price retrace back down, offered closure above sequence, not sequence, just down close candle, which validates this as propulsion block. So once again, 50% of OB or propulsion block tell us if this OB is high probability. Over here. So I didn't engage at here, or here, but once price broke with displacement below 50% of propulsion block, I tried to short. I put my stop loss, I believe at here, I don't remember for sure. And I was aiming for London low and Asia low. That's it. So idea is how we're trading with minter short of order blocks. And we trace back to the range after sweeping this potential propulsion block on daily chart. Did I explain this trade? Maybe I overcomplicate this, probably. I can understand this, but this is how I saw the picture and it worked. Yeah, SPX just additional confirmation, but not everyone wants to use SPX, right? Yeah, above break, somewhere here, yeah. Above 80. We all look at market differently, right? But this is how I look at this. Trying my best to explain this in an easier way. Don't forget to click the like button, guys. We are the best as always, and we kill this as always. So we got break above New York midnight open. Let's see if we're gonna get retest. I'm not sure how high. It's short week, everything is possible. Like seriously, when we have short week, like it tends to like reach weekly objective faster, right? Need to like clean my floor because lots of haters there. But it left equal highs. It left buy side on SPX and OT of old RTH gap here. So I don't see longs yet. It's trying to build this, but I don't see longs yet. I'm gonna wait. I got a comment like a couple of days ago from guy, like he's nice. He said, I was skipping your videos because of accent, but I decided to watch and it was best explanation ever. I was like, that's so cute. Another trade, let's wait. If I will see setup, yes. I just don't see setup yet. But it was daily high level at 96. I love it. Red line. Oh, nothing. Just current high of the day. Of the week. I deleted. Means nothing. Today I'm gonna stream on Tradify TV. Guys, if you want to see my schedule for today, here is a link. And also attach the link for stream 4 PM session. I usually try to post my schedule there. And longs, I would like to get a retest of New York midnight open. Why I'm not on this long yet? Simply because NQ trying to stay below 10 AM open and 9:30 AM open, while ES broke above these 2 key levels. So it's not long for me yet. Do you take aviation? No. Really don't care about this. Never use this before. I see lots of people use this, but I never use this. Maybe it's helpful when we got big expansion, like big trend before market open. Maybe it's helpful, but honestly, Yeah, I use only order blocks for entries. Are you going to take another trade? I hope so, but we will see. Totally depends if setup will be presented. It's not here yet. To take a trade, it's available here. 1 second, I will show you now. Guys, if you go on my Twitter, go here in highlights. You will see this one. ICT Concept Guide. So I put all my lessons here, like in PDF format. Talking about checklist, it's lesson number 8. This is what I trade. Let's see if I have checklist. Yeah, I do have this one. It's over here. New York midnight open. We use 10 AM open same way as we use New York midnight open. It's over here. It's all my lessons, guys. If it's really hard to understand accent, I'm gonna read your message in a moment. 1 second. And OT retracement, go to 3 different ways to use OT. Go to option number 3. It's over here. OT of RTH gap. That's exactly what we use today for our trades. Let me send link in the chat. Copy link. I don't sell any courses. I believe like lots of people sell courses without even sharing this information. But look at this, guys. If you're gonna read this lesson, you will never ever find it somewhere else. Thank you so much. Appreciate this. Fair value gap. I need PDF about this as well. Now I'm gonna read your message. 1 second. TPT Pro account yesterday. Should I reset? Oh, no, don't reset. Don't waste your money on reset TPT accounts. Pass again. No, don't reset, please. Don't waste your money. It's damn so expensive. Don't reset. Don't reset. Get another val. See how NQ invalidated our longs on ES? Oops. What was that? Anyway, 9:30 a.m., 10 a.m. BTC stayed below this level, while ES was trying to break above this level. Definitely not nice longs. Yet. I'm gonna stream this week on TradingView TV 3 times. It's gonna be Monday, Tuesday, and Thursday. Yes, trying to break below New York Midnight Open again. Let's see. Manage your risk properly, guys. Range is quite big. By the way, NQ didn't take previous weekly level, which I wanted to see. Appreciate this. I hope you're gonna join every single day. I'm here every single day, try to explain everything in easiest and best way I can. So, hope you're gonna enjoy this. Okay, guys, let me send link for giveaway again because I hit my base hit on my TPT account. And I'm gonna stream PM session. Let's do giveaway. And if you want to support the channel, you can use code LUMI for Lucid, Apex, TradingView, Take Profit Trader, Alpha Futures, and E8 Futures, as well as Funded Next Futures. So guys, what we're gonna do now? Do we want to short this? Not really yet. Do we want to long this? Not really yet. Right now, it's a tricky spot between longs and shorts. Why I say this? Because if you want to trade NQ, look at ES first. What we can see here. If you want to trade ES, look at NQ. So what we can see on ES. We just stuck at 10 a.m. open, 9:30 a.m. open, and New York Midnight Open. This spot where it's like, we don't want if it's short or long. It's nothing yet. It's not clear here. We have no idea. At the same time, what we can see on NQ. The test of 9:30 a.m. open, 10 a.m. open, New York Midnight Open. NQ looks slightly bearish. But ES saying like, damn, it's not bearish yet. Don't touch it. Okay? Wait for ES and NQ to be in sync. That's very important, guys. It will save you from lots of losses. Just trust me. If ES shows like, it's not bearish yet, but NQ offers like textbook short, don't take it. I always say don't try to be first seller at this point. Wait. Okay. Like, jokes aside, seriously, guys. Don't try to be first seller when you see NQ trying to sell, but yes, stay at the same place. Especially with respect to New York midnight open. Read lesson about this on my Twitter or watch YouTube video. 9 a.m. open and 10 a.m. open. It's by default, like exactly same happened on Friday. We long this, remember? Because ES was staying near daily open, which was like bullish picture for us there, while NQ was trying to offer short. Did we long? Yeah, we longed NQ twice on Friday. Yes. I was born and raised in Belarus. It's country next to Russia and Poland. I speak Russian, but I live in US. Appreciate this, MXM. Work above New York. I wouldn't short this 100%. Guys, did you enter giveaway? Since I was trading Take Profit Trader today, we're gonna do Take Profit Trader, same size I traded today. MXM. Yeah, I will see what I can do with Funded Next Futures giveaway. It's so hard to do giveaways from Funded Next Futures. Definitely not easy to do giveaways from Funded Next Futures. It's giving you error. Try to use different browser maybe. I love Take Profit Trader, like from the bottom of my heart. Seriously. I see lots of complaints about intraday challenge drawdown. I talked about this yesterday. No complaints if you trade small size until we build the buffer. We did lose it yesterday, so today I decided to do 150k accounts from a TPT. I would say Tradify 35% off ends like in 2 days. In 1 day, actually, tomorrow. Lucid ends tomorrow. Apex ends as well. TPT 40% off ends as well. So we will see something new like maybe first week of new months. Happy I bought like Lucid accounts at the right time. How I manage, you can watch my previous trades. Like last week wasn't easy for me. I was taking loss. After this, I was taking a win. So idea is, yeah, losses happens, but once again, first you need to control your emotions and to be flexible with your bias. You put in your stop loss at the place where your trade idea is invalidated. I'm gonna talk about this 1 second. So what is important? If you need to have personal daily loss limit. I already talked about this yesterday. You can find like at the beginning of Steam, we were talking about how to manage accounts. It's important to watch this. Please watch. So if with first trade you didn't hit your personal daily loss limit, you can give the second try. But once again, no FOMO, no like wild desire to recover the loss. No, manage the risk and enter second trade, and only if you see your model here again. Because you trust your model, you plan the trade, you trade the plan. So how I manage myself? I'm just okay with this. Like, seriously, I'm not upset about losses. I'm just really okay. And you can see from my previous streams, I was trying to short. Yes, on first day, I saw if this level is going to be broken, probably it's going to be long. I shorted yes, stopped out, entered long on Q right after this, like second right after this, and we got W. So once again, don't think about losses. So this already happened. Impossible to bring this back. You already lost. So just focus on another trade and wait for setup. Seriously, losses, it's impossible to avoid them, unfortunately. And I already talked about this yesterday as well. I don't know a single intraday Intraday, it's a keyword here. Trader who has more than 80% win rate. So my personal win rate 64%, unfortunately. It was 69% in the beginning of year. Okay, 64%. And I truly believe it's good. Just trying to show you, like, losses happens, but you still can be profitable taking losses. I have blue eyes, yeah. I have blue eyes. It's like blue, green, gray eyes. Yeah, I was born with this. My mom born with this. My kids have like light blue eyes. Damn, guys, that's so good. It's possible. Yeah, when you don't trade, yes. What about 6, 7? Damn, are you kidding me? I love my eyes as well. Like, color is amazing. But my Daniel has, like, guys, it's like light blue. Light blue. It's so beautiful. Nathan has like dark blue. Like middle blue. I don't know how to describe, but it looks so beautiful. Where is Daniel eyes? That would like to show you. It's Nathan. Where's Daniel photos? Would like to show you. It's Daniel's eyes. Not sure if you can see this, but look at this blue color. Damn, it's a dream color. Seriously. Would like to find Nathan's. It's like light blue. It's so beautiful. Nathan. I need to find good photo for this. It's Daniel. It's Daniel. He's so nice. He's so cute. I mean, I like to look at kids' photos all the time. Where's Daniel? Nathan. Here's Nathan color. See? It's like dark blue. But I have like something between green, blue, and gray. Yeah. We can't do giveaway now, guys. And mine. Nah. My eyes so beautiful. It's not really green. It's like something between green. On photo it looks blue anyway. Okay, Dasha, you have to like watch my eyes as well. Look at my eyes. Let's do giveaway. Let's do giveaway. Of course. Got it. Got it. You're not interested in me, right? Okay, I will think about our relationship, guys, because damn. Let's do giveaway. Love you guys. You're the best anyway. No talk about eyes, no giveaway. Exactly. Oh. Our first winner. Are you here? So how it works, you need to fill the form I sent link like many times in the chat. And you usually have 1 minute to claim your prize. So we're waiting for 1 minute for the person to respond in the chat. If you're here, perfect, amazing. We're moving on to second winner. If you're not here, we're gonna pick first winner again. Is he or she here or not? Oh, yeah, I see you. Guys, make sure you have active TPT account with Take Profit Trader. If you don't have Take Profit Trader account, I'm gonna send you link to... 1 second, guys. funded that now. While we're waiting for second winner, guys, if you won today, you need to... I'm here. Yeah, I see you. 1 second. Make sure to create account using same email you used for giveaway. Here's a link to create TPT account. Just create. Don't buy anything. Just create TPT account using same email you used for giveaway. Do this today because I want to send accounts today, okay? Link once again is here. Make sure to create account now using same email you used for giveaway if you want. Okay? Tomorrow we're gonna do... I'm working on Funded Next Futures giveaway because lots of people asked about this. Working, not gonna promise for Funded Next Futures this week, unfortunately. I will do Tradify and Lucid this week plus TPT. So guys, I'm gonna stream today at 1:30 p.m. on Tradify TV PM session. Probably gonna pay attention on gold because I noticed gold moves so good during PM session nowadays. So what I want to say, we killed this today. We entered the trade before 10 a.m. Given Tradify TV, we will see. I'm not gonna promise, it's not my stream. Alpha futures and Funded Next Futures so hard to do because once you won, I need to send your accounts to Funded Next Futures or an Alpha Futures manager. He needs to check your account. Damn, that's so hard. I prefer to have accounts like right now so I can send at any time. Leave gold for me? No. All right. So I'm gonna stream today on Tradify TV. I'm gonna send schedule again. My schedule for today. I'm gonna update for tomorrow as well, right after the stream. Here's my schedule. Link for Tradify TV attached in this link as well. Yeah, I know, guys. You love me when I stream solo, right? I'm gonna be solo there. I'm gonna be alone there on Tradify TV today and tomorrow and on Thursday. It's gonna be solo streams. Same as now. Let's see. Since both ES and Q trying to stay above New York Midnight Open, but ES really struggling with displacement above 10 AM Open, probably I would like to wait for the break above 74.70 with displacement to scalp long to 74.96, which is equal highs. With stop loss below 10 AM Open. No, New York Midnight Open probably. It's kind of hard right now to say for sure about exact trade idea, but maybe this one. Just some displacements above 74.70. Kind of hard, but this SPX left room to go higher. I'm just not sure if lunch gonna deliver. PM session may. So guys, I will see you just in like 2 hours. Maybe I will go to the gym now. We killed this today. Let's type double in the chat again because we are the best. And guys, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and click the like button. I'm here every single day. See you guys in 2 hours on Tradify TV. Once again, link for stream on this website. It's my website actually. Love you guys. If you have any questions, Discord, free Instagram, free Twitter is open for you. Just let me know. Don't ask me for money or account. Just if you have any questions, feel free to send questions. See you soon, guys. Don't make stupid mistakes. Winners, don't forget to create TPT account. That's what I want to say. See you soon, guys. Love you.